Hi, this is Tutor P, and this is lesson 658. The title of today's lesson is the difference between refuge and refugee. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. All right, the first thing to note, it may even actually be pronunciation. I often see students confuse these two words, and they even confuse when and how you should pronounce each one. A lot of times when students see refuge, they often say refugee. Actually, refuge, the E is hardly pronounced at all. And in refugee, with the EE, well, we pronounce it the same way as like employee or interviewee, so it's often used that way. All right, let's continue. All right, now let's cover refuge first. We got three actually meanings here. A place where people go to protect themselves from something dangerous or threatening. So we often use it with the place that offers the protection. A thing that gives shelter, aid, or comfort, so that could cover a lot. Or anything that offers a recourse for escape, aid, or help, from something that's dangerous or hurting or harming or really bothering somebody. All right, let's continue. Now, refugee is always a person, okay? A person who flees or leaves his or her country during a war or other dangerous events. All right, but we could have a sentence like this where we could have both words in the same sentence. Sometimes a refugee may need to seek refuge in a foreign country by seeking political asylum. Yeah, so we use seek is one of the common verbs, or take refuge, seek refuge, try to find refuge. We often use it like that. All right, and we got 8 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. As the planes dropped the bombs, residents took refuge in a bomb shelter. Okay. Number 2, they went into that building to seek refuge from the storm. Good. So we got take refuge, seek refuge. They ran a shelter that functions as a refuge for abused women. Okay, so sometimes it could be that one, especially like in this one, anything that offers a request for escape, aid, or help. That follows that idea. When the troubles in his life seemed unbearable, he took refuge in religion. Yeah, we often sometimes use it in the phrase to take refuge in something that could offer you some sort of escape or help in that sense. All right. Number 5, that country offered him refuge. Well, this is going back to a place in the form of political asylum. Good. All right, number 6, there were many refugees, of course, the people, that crossed the border to escape the war. So this is a typical use. Number 7, he was a political refugee trying to escape from that communist tyrannical country. Good. And the last one, number 8, if you are trying to apply for political asylum, a person's refugee status will be judged on a case-by-case basis, whether, you qualify to be considered to be a refugee. All right, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope now you can get a better feel of the two different words and when you should use one and not the other. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.